Yeah, hi, I'm a Prashant. Okay. I'm using Toyota Fortuner since last 10 years and I'm coming last 10 years here. Okay. Now, as well as Orchis is good going as such a wonderful person to work to every day, and I'm really enjoy through the looking through the your work because of your build quality is good, your stitching are good. So I highly recommended visit to the Orchis, and I'm matlab excellent job on the project as you can see. So good Orchis.